In the suburban neighborhood, Benny the dog was barking like never before. His loud and persistent howling caught the attention of all his neighbors who came out to see what was going on. The dog continued his performance, this time barking like a doorbell. The neighbors couldn't help but laugh as they watched Benny running around the neighborhood, chasing after a ball and barking like crazy. Finally, Benny amazed his neighbors by imitating a duck. He quacked and waddled around the yard, making everyone laugh even harder. The dog's performance had left his neighbors in stitches. They couldn't stop laughing at Benny's hilarious antics, and they applauded him for his creativity. After an exhausting performance, Benny rested in the neighbor's yard. The neighbors gathered around him and gave him treats for entertaining them. The day ended on a happy note. Benny enjoyed the sunshine and the company of his neighbors, who were still laughing about his hilarious performance.